kumpenini na ixesha liphelile, ixesha liphelile. Ngenye imini ngisakhala awungekho wena, awungekho wena. Oh,
grew up in a ghetto place. I'ma stay prayed up. Then I got more jewels that you told me. God will keep you safe. My brother doing drugs and he still on the block. He be catching on the legs for a bigger plate. And no chafility all over chas. And no skimmy level tap over cash. I'ma work till I get him out the block. Cause my old lady gave me a speech. Josie Ebukhali, the shit of disease. I'm kicking down the doors, I don't need me a key. I'ma work till I get it, I don't need me a team. Cause my blood's still GLE. Pour up your cup if you feeling me. I'm working overtime like this telling me. And it's crazy that these niggas were not feeling me.
kusase kumpenini na, kusase kumpenini na ixesha liphelile, ixesha liphelile. Ngenye imini ngisakhala awungekho wena, awungekho wena. Oh,
Ish, mama wasekhaya, my love, wena muthu wami. Feeling cold, cela ubuye ekhaya. Kusawurata, le nonka awufasa. Got the green signs when I'm my sweetie pie. Really hit deep when you said goodbye. To the point where I couldn't sleep at night. And I swear I can rate when you talk to the guys. Ish, mama wasekhaya. Ish, wena muthu wami. And I'm sorry for everything that I've done. And I miss them calls at night. Girl, I need you right by my side. You my lady, you my bestie. And I can see, girl, you my remedy.